Hi guys, I'm really excited about today's video because I haven't done a shoes unboxing for quite a while. So today we're gonna unbox not one but two pairs of really cool shoes. So let's dig in. If this is your first time here, my name is Veronica. I am a TV presenter and I love everything about fashion and style. And we are building together here a very elegant wardrobe. So whatever we're gonna buy here is gonna last us for decades. So are you ready? Box number one. So big surprise, I told you a few videos before that I am really obsessed with Elisabetta Franchi lately. I think she has pretty cool designs and especially her blouses are out of this world. I mean, this yellow one is from her and the purple one that you've seen in previous video as well. And now we're gonna unbox two of her shoes. I already have a few pairs of her shoes and so far I'm really satisfied with the quality. All right, so I think if I have it like here, there you'll be able to see it. So I have these silver ones that you've seen already on my channel are Elisabetta Franchi as well. And then I'm gonna link other videos where I talked about Elisabetta Franchi clothing and shoes and whatever I have from her below, so you can watch more of that brand if you're interested. All right, so I just took these ones from the bigger brown box, so I have no idea which ones are gonna be in there. But let's see, I'm so excited. So all of her shoes come with a really nice dust bag. They are like linen materials, so this is really nice touch. I really like when they come with a dust bag. But I noticed before that not all of her shoes actually come with extra heel tips, which I don't like because my lovely Gianvito Rossi, which you know is my favorite shoe brand, you know, he always includes heel tips. So I don't know why Elisabetta Franchi doesn't, but all right. We have the higher heel first. Okay, let me show you something first. A while ago, I got these Ralph Lauren pumps, like two-tone pumps, which I wear all the time. And I was thinking I need something similar, but for higher temperatures, because these are pumps. So when it's like 25 plus, it's not really comfortable. And I have been on the hunt for this for like summertime for a while. And lucky for me, Elisabetta Franchi delivered. Now, these shoes, let's just enjoy them for a few minutes first, shall we? Look at this heel. I mean, come on. I was in love with these shoes the second I saw them on the webpage. So I'm gonna style these shoes and combine different outfits in future videos. Today we're just doing the unboxing, but this kind of goes around the ankle, as you can see. And this is a very sexy toe cap because it goes quite low, but not too low because I hate that. And Elisabetta Franchi has really soft leather. As compared to Gianvito Rossi, his is more stiff than this one. Not stiff as in hard to walk in, but stiff when you feel it. This is definitely different type of leather. It's very soft, which is very comfortable to wear, but because it's so soft, you have to be really mindful because you're gonna ruin them in a second. Almost too soft leather for shoes, but you know, if you take care of your shoes and you are not walking with this in like rain and stuff, it should be okay. So I think we can remove this, because I want to show this part. I know they're gonna fit me because all of her shoes are 36, so I have no worries removing this because I know I'm not gonna return them. And the heel is my usual 10 centimeters, and we are gonna remove this. Oh, I love this sound. And look at this. I mean, you wear these shoes maybe 2 times, hopefully not at the very harsh surface. Try to walk like at least on a normal pavement, so the shoe has a chance to kind of mold around your foot. And then once this is happened, which usually takes like 2 to 3 times for a few hours, then you protect them. You take them to the cobbler and he will put protection, kind of like rubber here, because otherwise this sole, especially the way I'm using these shoes, because I'm always walking in heels all day long, so they're going to be ruined within like 2 weeks. So I always have to protect them. And these ones are just the sexiest shoes ever, and I love that they have this sandal option, so I can actually wear this for spring and early fall, which was my intention. I'm gonna show you, like I said, styles in future videos, but this is shoes number 1. I forgot to check for heel tips, but no heel tips. Elisabetta, heel tips. This is what goes with this price, I'm sorry. you cannot charge 500 plus for a pair of shoes and not include heel tips. Just that's all I'm saying. Don't worry, we're going to continue in a second. I just want to introduce myself. My name is Veronica. I have been a TV presenter for over 20 years now, and I love everything about fashion and style. And this is kind of like the umbrella of topics that we cover on this channel. But we do other things, of course, as well, like travel vlogs, and we go shopping together and all of that. So I want to create this amazing, fun, and of course, elegant community here on YouTube, and I want you to join us. So like this video, subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my future videos. All right, thanks. Now let's go back to the video. Alrighty, so now of course I know which is the second pair. So before I show you this one, I'm going to tell you a fun fact. So if you haven't seen, I have an old video out about all of my high heels shoes, because I have, you know, probably like 50 pairs plus. I'm gonna do like a new version because I bought quite a lot of shoes since then, and I get rid of some of them that you see in that video, but I have to have time to do that. So that video is not gonna be out for a few weeks for sure. But until this, you're gonna see there. So I have 99% of my heels are 10 centimeter because this is the heel I'm the most comfortable in. I can't walk in like 12 centimeter, that's too high for me, and I wouldn't recommend walking in that high heel for too long of periods because you're gonna kill your hips. That's just how it is. But during the film festivals, you sometimes have to go to like networking events, or there's like some nice lunch, but it's during the day, you don't have time to change, and you still have to be comfortable because you're walking a lot. So I have been on the hunt for like a lower kitten heel, and everything I found, I didn't like. I like the only pair of shoes that I like with a lower heel are these Cozy Island ones. But the thing is, like, these are really like more leisure shoes. I cannot go to like fancy lunch in this. So I have been on the hunt again for a lower heel that I can actually walk around most of the day or run if I have to, and it will still look stylish. And this is it. This is, you get some papers which for some reason were not included in the other pair, which doesn't make sense because I bought them from the same site, but it's okay. They have like the new, if you're interested, there's like a QR code. So I'm gonna put it here so you can scan it if you want, so you can see her new collection. I've seen it online, it's brilliant. A lot of golds and blacks, which is always my favorite. This is the receipt. And then we have a little booklet, which is kind of like telling you how to take care of your shoes. Again, we have lovely Elisabetta Franchi dust bag. Really good material, this, I like it. More paper. Ta-da! You can't even tell what this is, it's so hidden. So I'm gonna get it all out. Oh, they are perfect. Perfect. Now, the thing is, I said multiple times, I'm really not a fan of these tiny heels. For me, it's either flats or high heels. But I realized just from necessity, I do need something that's still kind of, you know, in the heel section, but that I can actually run on Vaporetto if have to, on, you know, cobblestones, things like that, that it's not going to kill my legs or my hips. And this is the answer. So this is like mesh part here, so you can see a bit through. It has a lovely bow, golden cap, which makes it really stylish. And from the front, when you're walking around in this, it does look like you're having a really high heel shoe. It's only from the side that you can actually tell that is a tiny, tiny heel. And I'm gonna test this out properly, I guess in Cannes. I don't think I'm gonna have any other events before where I could really, where I wouldn't wear my higher heels. So I think this will get the first proper run in May. But again, it's the same situation. It's like the protected sole. And I plan to wear these shoes like on Monday if the weather permits to work, but that's not going to be the proper test because during festivals we do like 10 kilometers of walk every day, and during work is slightly less. So we're going to do this one more time. Look at this, it's so soft. I feel really bad when I walk around with this kind of shoes for the first time, because you know that this is just gonna get scratched within 3 seconds. But for now, when they're like all new, and oh, this is just such a, yes, definitely that kind of moment. If I can still find these shoes, I'm gonna link them below. Let me know what your view is on kitten heels, because officially I'm really not a fan. But like I said, sometimes it's a necessity if you still wanna be in some kind of heels, but you have the type of walking in the environment where stiletto 10 centimeter heel just will not do. Alrighty, have a lovely day guys, and I will see you in the next video.